everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can create this beautiful macrame diamond pattern. Let's get started. To begin, I've just gone ahead and attached 7 ropes to a dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Our first step is to take our cord here directly in the middle, take the left strand and point it down, diagonal, and to the left and tie 6 double half hitch knots. Now take the other cord in the middle and this time point it down, diagonal, and to the right, and again tie 6 double half hitch knots. Now we will begin on the middle design. Take your 2 cords here on the far left, and with these cords we're going to tie 2 half hitch knots. Now take your next 2 cords and this time we will tie 6 half hitch knots in an alternating fashion. Now take your next 2 cords and this time tie 9 half hitch knots. Now we will create a mirror image of these 3 sections using our remaining ropes. So starting from the center, these 2 ropes, we will make 9 half hitch knots. Now take your next 2 cords and tie 6. And lastly, with the remaining 2 cords, tie 2 half hitch knots. Now take your cord here on the far left and point it down, diagonal, to the right, and tie 6 double half hitch knots. Now take the right side, point it down, diagonal, to the left, and tie 6 double half hitch knots. We're going to connect our 2 ends here together with another double half hitch knot. So I'm just crossing left over right and tying a double half hitch knot as normal. And there you go. This is what your finished diamond will look like. It's a really fun pattern that you can add to your wall hangings or any other design. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.